Horses out while Bertong Balutan was left behind. Che and Ryan down on the inside, double O, and on the outside now is Hammer It Home, Impok, Grand Sensation. Now we have Che and Ryan by about 3/4 of a length. Right behind in second is Hammer It Home. Racing in third, Maimpok, then comes Double O, and Grand Sensation is racing in last. And it's still Che and Ryan by a length and a half. Hammer It Home in second, Maimpok in third, alongside for Double O and Grand Sensation. And it's still Che and Ryan. And on the outside is Hammer It Home. Double O now moving up to take third, Maimpok in fourth, Grand Sensation. And it's still Che and Ryan, followed by Hammer It Home. Double O now trying to get closer in third, Grand Sensation now coming closer in fourth, and Maimpok. And it's still Che and Ryan, Double O, Hammer It Home, Grand Sensation. Che and Ryan, Double O now takes the lead. It's now Double O, Che and Ryan, Grand Sensation in third. As they come down at the last 150, we have Double O this time by about 2 lengths. Grand Sensation is on the outside second. Double O, Grand Sensation is on the outside, but it's still Double O, followed by Grand Sensation, and finally Double O. Grand Sensation, Che and Ryan, Maimpok, and Hammer It Home.
2541, unofficial.
Double O with JT Zaratang